Menteri lang ba kajala u Conrad ki sangma hakasaw tarik jiliw ula ong banakalyang ka sorkar kan amsyong tad ban thwet hadu bandalap ya ki beriw ki badan kti halendat ka jingshah pyniap jong unong Indore u Raja Raghuvanshi hakabaya ka medyap jong ula lap din na kajakarian hakshat wei saudong hadin ba ula jar ngai haringkat ka kurim jong u ka sonam haka jingwan shangkai ngobha sha sora. Ngin syong than bat ngin shim ya baro kesien jam ban lap ya kejing shisha bat ban Pynthikna ba ki beriu badan kti ha kana kam pentriam ki de ban syap pengan ong ukonran haba keren syakilat thai kubar ha kabaya de ba kajing dawa to kit CBI de ki bahyeng jong uni ulanat halor kana kajing ja ukonran ula ong ba ka sorkar kan sa shim ya karai ke badan kam kalong ka bakong san ban lap shwa ya kejing shisha halor kana kajing ja kalong ka bakong san baka jing shisha ka deban pau kum taru kino kino kesin jam ki bahap ban shim kat kum ka jinglong jingman in sa shim ya karai andala dei kapor ya menta kadang kloy palat ban ong ka ka belajia bat haduk kat no ngitip bat haduk kat no ngimtip kamar kidon shibun ki bampat la ban penyaso wat kat haduk menta kat bangi dangya keren ula benram Nalor kata Menteri Rangba ulak kularu ya ki bahyeng hasam jong kini ki shijur na Indore baka sorkar ru kala persyang ban penkloy kat pala ban lap dien ya ko kerim jong uni ulanan kabadang jar ngai hadu menta. Habashim ya kani kum ka jingja ka bos ngosi hadu kata Konrad ula ongru baka dei ka kam ka ba 4 judan manuru ki banyo i bakin jia ha kani ka jela Meghalaya. Kani ka jingja kalapan kendit yang ngi baro wat ki trash nong ru kalapan pau ka jing kendit ki kinhun ki bapnyat ya ki kam jungok kai ru kila kendit halor ka ka belaja bat ki dap da ka jing so kya ka bajor kumta ka de ka bangim shimla poi perkhan bakan wanja ula ong haba pen pau baka Meghalaya barabor ka long ka jaka ka baburam bhai ki nongwan shangkai u Konrad ula ong barabor ngi ju Pynthikna ya ka jing shngan ju ki nongwan shangkai ha kini kisnam ki balalit no da ki lakngot ki nongwan shangkai ki lawan sha ka jela jongi kumju haba pen pau ka jing sngolam na ka benta ki bahyeng hasam u Konrad ula ong ngatip baka dei da shisha ka jingdu ka bakraw na ka benta jongki henrenga kwa ban Pynthikna ya ki bahyeng hasam bangi tre khlam shong than ban Pynthikna ban lap ya ki jing shisha halor ka jing jabaro ya menta hi ngim patla ban sngo tho shai halor ka ka balaja kumno kalaja ngidang beteng ban wat ya kurim jong uni ulanon keberang jar ngai ula benram.
Of course, this is a very, very unfortunate incident, and it is something that we have not seen in Meghalaya before. This kind of a incident. It was taken all of us by surprise, and all of us by shock. In fact, even the local people are very surprised. The local stakeholders in the tourism sector are very surprised and very concerned. So it's something that we actually never expected. We all know that Meghalaya has always been a tourist friendly area. We've always ensured the safety of tourists. So in the last many years, lakhs and lakhs of tourists have come. So this is something which is very out of the ordinary for us also. Having said that, we are very, very sad, of course, that this kind of incident has happened. And my deepest condolences and respects for the family members. I know it's a great loss for them, but I want to assure the family members that we are working overtime to make sure that we get to the facts and the depth of really what happened. We're all not very clear as of now what the sequence of events were, what happened, how it happened. We're still looking for the wife also of the individual whose body was found. We are also concerned about many factors that are there. But as I said, it's not just the government and the police. The entire society, the entire community, and the entire stakeholders have deeply gotten involved in this because nowadays, as I said, it is it's a matter that's of great importance to all of us. And let me assure the family members that we will leave no stone unturned to ensure we find out the details of the facts of what really happened, and also try to work as fast as possible to find the other missing person. who still we have not been able to find. It is important to get into the facts of the situation, very, very important, and the truth must come out. Therefore, whatever steps that are required as per the situation, we will take appropriate decisions then. Right now, it's too early to say what's happening and how much we know and how much we don't know, because there's so many missing links and factors even now as we speak. So therefore, it is very, very early time or early to say exactly how to move forward in the entire investigation. But as I said, we will leave no stone unturned, and whatever has to be done to get out the facts and to make sure that the people who are responsible for this should be brought to books, the state government will leave no stone unturned. I will refrain from going into any conclusion as of now, but I have said in my opening remarks that this is something that we have not seen in Meghalaya before. It's not something that is something that happens in Meghalaya. We are all very shocked and surprised with what has happened, and we are very upset and very sad about it. But I don't want to jump into the conclusions as to what could have happened. Let the investigation continue. Let the facts come out. Let the details come out, and then we will see how to move forward. Of course, this should have never happened. It's a very sad and a very unfortunate incident that has happened. So therefore, there is no doubt that this is something that we are all very, very concerned about and very upset about. But as I said, it's not something that is, that has been happening in Meghalaya. It's something that has been suddenly hit us. In fact, we also were very surprised by it. But as I said, let me assure the family members that we will do everything we are already doing, and we will continue to do everything in our capacity to find out the truth and make sure that justice is done. You see, it's an unfortunate incident, and obviously, some people may try to uh, bring that into the factor. But we all know that Sora and the entire state of Meghalaya has always been known for pro tourism activities. Yes, there are incidents once in a while that does happen, but at large, overall, we have seen that Meghalaya and its people are very, very receptive to tourists. Again, I'm saying it with a caveat that yes, there could be one or two incidents in the past also. Nothing major the way it has happened. There could have been past incidents, but majority of the cases, this small incidents earlier. I'm not talking about this. This is a very big incident, but I'm talking about other old smaller incidents that happened. A lot of things happen in many states, in many countries around the world. In fact, it's not just Meghalaya has faced challenges, and comparatively, we have faced less challenges, I should say, and we have been doing far better when it comes to tourism. That's why a large number of tourists, even to today, are coming to Meghalaya. So there are challenges, but I'm sure that we will overcome these challenges. Regarding this incident, as I said, yes, it has been a huge, unfortunate incident for us. But as I said, we will move forward, and we will ensure that number one, justice is done, and we will also ensure that number two, that more measures are taken in the future, so that more and more of our community people and systems are enhanced in the future, so that no such incidents should ever happen in Meghalaya again.